The Orange Crosswalk Initiative was informed and guided by Indigenous communities and organizations in Durham Region. Each step of the way, including the design, blessing of the grounds, installation, and unveiling, was Indigenous-led. Having this orange crosswalk on regional grounds serves as a constant reminder to regional staff and community members of the devastating impacts and ongoing legacy of colonialism. It also provides us with an opportunity to reflect and honor the children taken, families affected, and survivors of Canada's residential school system. Thank you to John Colwell, proud member of Mississaugas of Scugog Island First Nation, for creating the design, which included different styles of moccasins, to Troy White for leading a blessing of the grounds prior to the installation to ensure we began this initiative in a meaningful way, to All Our Relations Métis Drum Circle for performing the traveling song during the unveiling of the Orange Crosswalk to wish the children taken a safe journey, to regional staff and community members for attending the impactful memorial at the region.